If you're wondering how to use Navan for personal travel, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage Navan for all your personal travel needs. Whether you're a frequent flyer or someone planning a rare trip, you'll be able to use Navan to save time and money, simplifying your entire travel experience. Keep watching because I'll also share an exclusive offer for a completely free trial of the software that you won't want to miss. Navan is an innovative travel management tool that integrates everything from booking flights and hotels to managing your itineraries and expenses, all in one easy-to-use platform. With Navan, personal travel becomes a breeze. You can plan your entire trip, book everything directly, and even track your spending on the go. Think of it like your travel assistant, but more efficient and faster. One of the key features of Navan is its powerful AI-driven recommendations. Based on your preferences and past travel, Navan will suggest personalized options for flights, hotels, and rental cars that match your needs. So whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or luxury stays, Navan adapts to your style of travel. Booking flights through Navan is incredibly simple. After logging in, you can easily search for flights, view prices, and pick the best options, all within a couple of clicks. Plus, if your plans change, Navan gives you flexible options to modify your bookings, saving you the hassle of contacting multiple airlines or travel agencies. Another cool thing about Navan for personal travel is the integrated expense tracking. As you book your flights, hotels, or even dinners, Navan helps you keep track of your spending in real time, making sure you stay within your travel budget. And if you have any receipts or transactions, you can upload them directly into the app to keep everything organized. Now, one of the best parts about using Navan is its 24/7 customer support. If you run into any issues or need help during your travels, the team at Navan is always just a click away. Whether it's rebooking a flight or finding last-minute accommodations, they've got you covered. And here's the thing. If you're new to Navan, you can start using it for free right now. Just check the link in the description below and you'll get an exclusive extended trial, giving you access to all the premium features without spending a penny. This is your chance to explore all the tools Navan offers without any commitment. So, how do you start using Navan for personal travel? Simply sign up through the link below and you'll have full access to everything the software has to offer. Start planning your next trip and let Navan do the hard work for you. From smart recommendations to seamless booking and budget tracking, it's all there at your fingertips. To recap, Navan is your one-stop shop for organizing personal travel, making everything from booking flights to tracking expenses super easy. And don't forget, if you're ready to dive in, you can use Navan for free through our exclusive link. Don't miss this opportunity to streamline your travel plans and experience the best in travel tech. Get started with your free trial now.